Hi, I'm jdflutes. It's almost Christmas time, folks, and the year is almost gone. You all have been really good to me this year. I appreciate everyone who has purchased a flute from me. I would not be here if it wasn't for you. So thank you so much. This is one of my 2019 flute designs. This is a bass C Sharp tuned to 528 Hertz, the frequency of love. This flute here is actually a customer's flute. It's been bored using a 1-inch gun drill bit. The wood has not been split. This is a one-piece flute. I do not glue my flutes together, so it is very durable. It should last you a lifetime if you take care of it. The finish on this flute is an oil finish. The oil is very durable. It's very smooth. And if you smell right here, it has a wonderful smell. I feel like you all will love these oil finish flutes. I love to play these oil finish flutes. They just feel so naturally. And like I said, this one here is a bass C Sharp tuned to 528 Hertz. The finger holes, as you can tell, they are small on this flute. This customer here wanted my hummingbird fetish with genuine turquoise eyes. It's wrapped with soft deer leather, and the color is gold. This flute came out very nice. Up under the bottom, it will have jdflutes, C Sharp, 528 Hertz, if you can see it. Right on the bottom. This flute to me has a beautiful voice. I'm just going to do a very short sound sample. Let me know what you all think. Since this flute is so long, you need to play your first hole and your second hole softly. And then increase your breath as you go up the flute, just like you do any other flute. And for you beginners out there, always keep your third hole from the top closed at all times until you get good. When you get good, then you can open up that hole and play a lot of different variety of songs when you get good. But for now, just keep this third hole from the top closed. This flute here will take very little breath. You do not have to blow this flute really hard for it to be in tune or to hear its sweet voice. Just relax and just enjoy the flute. I hope you all enjoyed. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas and a blessed Christmas. And like I said earlier in the video, thank you all who purchased my flutes for this year. I appreciate everything that you have done. And I also would like to continue to thank God. He's the one who helped me throughout this whole entire year with these flutes. I don't know what I would have done without Him. I still want to give Him all the credit for everything I do. He gives me all this knowledge. He's my helper out there in the shop. And He's my helper here doing these videos. I give Him all the credit. He gives me the words to say. He gives me the breath to play these flutes. You know, He's my knowledge. He's my wisdom. He's my heart. So, thank you all so much once again for everything. I hope you enjoyed the flute. If you would like one, simply just give me a phone call or shoot me an email. I'll give you a list of prices. A lot of times they will be sale prices, and I will give you the best possible deal that I can make. These flutes are not easy to make. You know, it takes a lot to make these flutes, and it takes a lot of patience, a lot of time to get these flutes to play as well as I do. So I'll give you the best possible price that I can give. Thank you so much, and I hope everyone has a wonderful, wonderful day.